Grandma and who else?
Papa.
Yeah, what did they send you?
A birthday present.
A birthday present? What is it? Show us. What are those?
Puzzles and
Rice Krispie treat.
crisps.
Oh, pick it up, hurry, within 5 seconds. Okay. What do you think of it?
Good.
What do you tell Grandma and Papa?
Thank you.
You want to blow them a kiss?
No, I eat.
No, you're eating? Okay. It's good. What's the puzzle of?
Cupcake.
A cupcake. How fun. Whose name is on there?
Chloe.
How do you know? What is it? What are the letters?
What letters?
The letters on the yellow sticky note.
Says Chloe.
Yeah. How do you spell Jane?
Say A-Y-N-E.
Perfect. How do you spell Abendroth?
I-B-E. What else?
A-B-E-N-D.
D.
Abendroth.
Abendroth.
A-B-E-N-D-R.
R.
O.
O.
And what are the last two letters? They say th.
I-T.
T-H.
Says
Yeah, good job. Anything you want to tell Grandma and Papa in Kansas?
no.
No, nothing at all? You want to tell them what you did today?
Bright light.
Pardon me?
Bright light.
Bright. Oh, you're doing the light bright. What are you making? Who's helping you?
Daddy.
Daddy, that's right. Okay, tell them thank you one more time and I'll turn this
Thank
off.
you.
Say see you later, alligator.
See you later.
Oh, tell them what's happening in 3 days.
Bingo.
What about bingo?
W bingo.
What about W bingo?
He's going to come out 3 days.
He's going to come out in 3 days. And what are you going to say to W bingo when you see him?
W bingo George.
W bingo George. Okay. Anything else you want to say?
No.
All right.
I can't open it. I can't open it.
Okay, I'll help you.